Hey foodies, welcome back to Tasty Travels Together. Today we're diving into a delicious recipe. I'm going to show you how to make it step by step. Delicious keto beef stroganoff with cauliflower rice. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on mouth-watering recipes. Now, let's jump right into it. First things first, let's go over the incredible ingredients you'll need for this recipe. A hearty 1.5 pounds of beef sirloin or tenderloin thinly sliced. 1 medium onion finely chopped to add a touch of sweetness. 3 cloves of garlic, minced for that flavorful kick. 8 ounces of mushroom, sliced for delightful texture. A comforting cup of beef broth to enhance the richness. 1 cup of sour cream for creaminess that'll make you smile. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard to elevate the flavors. Salt and pepper to taste because seasoning is key. Fresh parsley chopped for a beautiful garnish that's almost too pretty to eat. Now, let's not forget the cauliflower rice. 1 medium cauliflower, grated or riced for a low-carb twist. 2 tablespoons of butter to bring it all together. And salt and pepper to taste because even cauliflower deserves some love. Now, isn't that a lineup of flavor-packed goodness? Now let's dive into the preparation process. Follow along as we chop, dice, and prepare our ingredients with love. This step is crucial for unlocking all those amazing flavors. As our ingredients are prepped, it's time to hit the stove. Watch closely as the magic happens. We're starting off with a sizzle. Heat up a skillet over medium-high heat and add those 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Feel that warmth? It's the beginning of something delicious. Now gently place those thinly sliced beef sirloin or tenderloin pieces into the pan. Ah, that sizzling sound is music to our keto ears. Let them dance in there until they're perfectly browned and cooked to your liking. Next up, let's introduce our aromatic duo, the finely chopped onion and minced garlic. Toss them into the pan. You smell that? It's the symphony of flavors coming together. And now the mushrooms join the party. 8 ounces of sliced goodness, adding textures and earthy notes to our masterpiece. But we're not stopping there. Time for the saucy magic. Pour in a cup of beef broth and watch it transform the dish into a rich, savory delight. Now for that creamy goodness, a whole cup of sour cream. And to elevate the flavors, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard join the mix. Stir it in gently, creating a velvety sauce that'll make your taste buds dance with joy. Little tang, a little kick, perfection. There you have it. Our masterpiece is ready to be plated. Feast your eyes on this culinary delight. Doesn't it look absolutely tempting? That's a wrap for today's recipe adventure. I hope you enjoyed following along as much as I enjoyed creating this dish. If you love it, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Tasty Travels Together for more delectable recipes and hit that notification bell so you never miss a single bite. Also, if there's a recipe you'd love to see me whip out next, drop it in the comments below. Till next time, happy cooking. Alright, now for the best part. Giving this a try. It's very good. It's hard for me to... It's got a fairly strong sour cream flavor to it, but it's delicious. The cauliflower rice, excellent. Tastes just a little bit of butter and the salt and pepper. Most importantly, keto-friendly. I can actually eat this. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure having you here. Until next time, stay hungry, stay curious, and keep cooking up those amazing dishes. See you in the next video.